cut your fishing line, then you pick 6 of the pearls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You use the 6th one to do your cross thread, so you have a small circle like this. So it's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that, you pick 5 of the pearls, with the reason being that the bead that we use to do cross threading will form part of the next circle, making 6. So this is 1. You count this as 1, then you pick extra 5. 2 goes on the left, 2 goes on the right. Then you use the remaining 1 for your cross threading. The whole length is 9. We want 9 circles. So with the turning, all the bead will go on one thread, either the left or the right. I prefer the left. Then I use the 5th bead to do my cross threading. Then you realize the direction of the thread changes. So this is what we have. Then I would slip my fishing line through the immediate next bead, getting something like this. Then I'll pick 4 beads. Then you use the last bead to do your cross thread. This is what we have. Then the fishing line goes through on the immediate. This time around we are not picking only 1, but we are picking 2. So it goes on this, then onto this bead. It goes in this bead, then into this bead as well. So making 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So I'll pick 3 bead in addition, making 6. 3 plus 3, 6. So this is what we have. It goes into this bead. That's also 3, so I'll pick 3. You can get all the materials that I use in the video from the link in the description box. Every single material used can be found in the description box of the video. If you are joining us for the first time, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell to get first-hand notifications on future updates. It's going when you want to turn to the 3rd lane, the turning you goes on the right thread and not the left thread. Then you use the remaining, that's the last bead, to to do your cross threading. So you realize that the fishing line, the direction changes. You'd pick this one bead, that's the immediate bead, then you would pick 4. As I explained earlier on, we are working with 6 beads, so these 2 forms part of the 6. You go ahead, pick 4 plus 2 is 6, giving you 6, forming that circle. So you realize that as we are weaving, the number of circles will be reducing. So if the initial circle was 8, you realize that the next step, the number of circles will reduce in that order. So left with the last circle. We pick 4. So this is equal size. We are done. We are coming to secure our fishing line. Then we do away with the excess thread. Then we continue with our beading. Then you do away with the excess fishing line. So this, you pick your thread and needle, the fishing line. This time around I'm using size 0.35. I'm going all round to secure the fishing line. Please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. So after securing my fishing line, I pick one gold bead, then I slant it. You get something like this. You skip this circle. You skip this circle. You would put your gold pearls, that's the yellow pearls. After each yellow bead, I skip a circle. Then the thread goes through the immediate bead onto this bead and through this bead. So I've skipped a circle. Then I pick another gold. You see that the fishing line is coming out, is in this bead. So I'm working with the single bead in the middle, these beads. So it's coming this direction, so I'll go in the opposite direction. I'll go through 2 beads, then I will skip a circle. Please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. If you are joining us for the first time, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell to get first-hand notifications on future updates. If you are a regular too but haven't subscribed yet, please kindly subscribe and share the video. Don't forget to like the video and share. Let me know your concerns and views in the comment section, or you can join my WhatsApp group by clicking on its link in the description box. We are not done yet. We are coming to use the yellow bead to form a kite in the middle. So you see the spaces, the box, the circle left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We pick the middle one, 1, 2, 1, 2. So we pick this bead, but first of all we have to secure our fishing line. Please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. So we've secured our fishing line. We pick 1 gold bead. Remember, we are working with the middle, that's the single bead. So comes in the opposite direction. Please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. So we are done. We'll go ahead to cut our fishing line. We'll go ahead and sew it. So in sewing, you have to be careful not to turn it, since it all has equal size. If you turn it, you miss the design, the middle one. And so when you are placing it on the slippers, you have to be extra careful. Do double cross checking. So always work with the kite in mind. In sewing, you have to secure your fishing line in the wrapper, that's a ribbon. You pick the 2 beads, you pick this one first. Then you would cut your thread. You do same for the other side. You have to secure your fishing line first. This is our final work. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video.